My name is Jason Valiante, owner of Valiante Tax and Financial Management. I got involved with Business Wit. I was out networking, met John Witt. We set an appointment to get together, and we started working together through the Business Wit Make the Right Moves form. I got started in November of 2017 in the Make the Right Moves community. In the last 18 months, the Business Wit program has taken me from basically starting out in business to we've grown 3.5 times in sales just in a year and a half. The benefits that I have found from working with Business Wit have been the thought of scalability, accountability, and continued growth is not something that is not achievable. It's something that if you make the right steps and set the goals, build the steps in between, it's absolutely possible. The value I've achieved from the Make the Right Moves forum is undeniable. The meeting once a week, it is a do-it-yourself program, but having that accountability, having those meetings every week has helped me put plans and goals in place. I would absolutely recommend this to any small business owner that needs help and needs some direction.